Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching how to make the crochet crunch stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I did already make the crunch stitch, so this is how it's going to look. And on the row that I'm currently working, I have done 2 chains. So the crunch stitch is alternating between making a half double crochet in one stitch and making a slip in the next. Then half double, slip stitch, half double, slip stitch. So to begin, I chained an even amount of numbers. I then worked a half double crochet stitch into the third chain from my hook. I then made a slip stitch in the next stitch, made a half double, then a slip stitch, half double, slip stitch, and I kept going. Since I began with a half double on my first row, I then started with a slip stitch on the next. And then from there on, you would then alternate each row. From the one that you begin with, you would start with the other one. You will always make 2 chains at the beginning of your row, and that is what I'm going to begin with right now. I'm going to go ahead and start with a slip stitch because the last row I had made a half double. So I'm going to do a slip stitch into this first one right here. And then going to work a half double in the next, then a slip stitch. Then a half double in the next, then a slip stitch, a half double in the next stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch, half double in this stitch, then a slip stitch, a half double, then a slip stitch, half double, then a slip stitch, and then a half double. If I was going to continue, I would chain 2, and then I would begin with a half double on that next row because I started with a slip stitch on this one. And that is going to be how to make the crochet crunch stitch. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can find me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.